Welcome to the AI Clipart series where I show you how to create designs just like you see here. And in today's video, we are going to be going over how to create stylish African American clip art just like this, because guess what? Y'all know we got those boots on the ground and we ain't coming to play around. So make sure you stay to the end so you can get all the tips and tricks that I use to create stylish images just like you see here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to chatgpt.com and you want to make sure you go to explore GPTs. Here's the GPTs here. Once you're inside of the GPTs, you're going to search for DALL-E, DALLE, and then it's going to show up on your screen on the left hand side. So I already have some prompts generated, so don't worry about that. I got those prompts in the chat for you. So as you can see here, it'll be on the screen. You could take a screenshot, you could pause it, do whatever it is that you want to do. So what I went ahead and did was I created different images, and I'm going to show you it wasn't doing exactly what I wanted it to do. So I'm going to show you how I was able to tweak it to get to what I wanted it to be. So what I did was I took some of those images that I had first and foremost, and I asked ChatGPT to create 10 prompts based on the prompt that I already had created, which the prompt stated digital airbrush illustration. You always want to give it your style. Of course, my two favorite styles is airbrush, watercolor, and then I also gave it the age, and then I gave some description on what I wanted it to wear. And of course, I want to keep the theme with the cowgirl boots on the ground because we know that song is hot right now. And then I went ahead and I started to look at ChatGPT as they created 10 different prompts. You could do the same thing, just ask for however many prompts you want. So now I'm going to go ahead and go with prompt number 2. Okay, because this one is going to be an afro, and we're going to go ahead and just continue this in the same chat. So you could go ahead and start a new chat if you want to by clicking DALL-E, but I'm going to continue it in the same chat just because it's going to remember everything that I've already asked it for. So I'm asking it to create a glamorous digital airbrush illustration of an older African-American woman aged 73 in a shimmering emerald green cowgirl outfit. All right, fringe detail. We got an afro going on, some almond shaped nails, glitter cowboy hat tilted slightly forward. We got a cropped glitter top, high-low fringe skirt, and she's holding a sparkling microphone. I always do white background only because it's easy to go ahead and make your images transparent when you do a white background only. So let's see what we get here. And then after this, we're going to head over to canva.com. Okay, so I'm feeling it. So I'm going to download both of these here. And then we're going to go over to canva.com. When you go over to canva.com, you could go ahead and open up a new blank canvas like you see here. And the size that I have here is 3000 by 3000 pixels. So I'm going to go to my uploads and I'm going to upload those photos that you just saw that ChatGPT created for me. So now once I upload those photos are going to come in, and I want to make a duplicate of this page here because as you can see, I got some different sizes going on because of course with the new Canva feature, as you can see here, the add page type, you can go ahead and go to more custom size. That way you could fit images in one document instead of making multiple, and they could all be size different. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And we're going to go ahead and fix the top of the hat. So we want to go ahead and fix the top of the hat. So we'll head over to edit. This is a Canva Pro feature. Anything with a crown inside of Canva, you know that it's a pro feature, meaning you have to pay, but it's not expensive. It's like, I think maybe like $15 a month, a little over $100 and something for the year. So it's so worth it. All right. So I'm going to move this up just a little bit because I just wanted to create the hat. And if I move it up too much, it starts to create these weird styles of hats, and I don't want it to do that. So I'm going to click expand. And when I click expand, you'll see that it's the AI working in the background to figure out whatever the rest of this images is that we should create. So it's going to give me different options. So this one is not too bad. But this is what I mean when it starts to like get weird. The shape of the hat, like that's like a cone. This one, I kind of like this one. So that one, so between this one and this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one here, and I'm gonna click done. And then I'm gonna go and hit the background remover because we want to get rid of this little erase mark, and sometimes it doesn't, but that's okay. We're gonna go back in and go to edit. We're gonna go to magic eraser. I'm gonna turn my brush size down just a little bit, and I'm just gonna erase this out of here. So now I'm going to go ahead and erase that. And now we have our image. She has her 5 fingernails. She's looking really stylish and I'm loving it. So this looks really amazing. Let's make it bigger so you all can see. Okay, here we go. So this one came out just the way I liked it, just the way I envisioned it. And then we could do the same one. So we're going to again add page and we're going to do this one as well. Because she's looking really fly right here. And again, we're going to go to edit. We're going to go to magic expand, freeform here, and we're going to expand this here. And if you're getting value from this video, what I want you to do is go ahead and put design inside of your comments, because I want you to join a wait list for my AI Creatives Made Simple Design Club. It is opening very, very soon. And the people who are on the waiting list, they will get a special discount exclusively for only those who are signed up. So don't miss out, especially if you're getting value. Go ahead and comment the word design so we can make sure you get the link to get on the waiting list and receive a special discount code. So let's go back to the image and see what we have here. So this one, not too bad. It's looking a little funny for a lot of them. So we might just go ahead and go with this one here. And then we're going to do the background. Now, remember, you could always go ahead and duplicate the background more if you want to. So you can go ahead and regenerate the freeform as many times as you want to get the hat to where you want to. And then you can also expand it on the sides as well. So here is the image. This one looks great as well. So we're going to expand that. And now we're going to go back in and I want to go ahead and grab some of the other prompts that we have. So let's look at some of the other ones that we have here. So let's see. All right, so this one is bell bottom. So I kind of like this one, and let's just go through and see which other ones we have. So we got a gold sequin cowgirl duster. We have, oh, let's do the dreadlocks. Kind of like this one here. So we're going to go ahead and do this one. All right. And we're going to go ahead and wait for it to generate. So this one is a hot pink and silver sparkle cowgirl outfit with white fringed gloves, silver dreadlocks, and a high ponytail, pink glitter nails. Ooh, I like this one. So this one is really cool. I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and download this one. And I like this one as well. I don't know what's going on with the hat, but you can always go ahead and type in regenerate here if it doesn't give you what you want. So again, I'm going to upload those 2 images and we're going to work with the one that we have inside of here. But that one came out perfect. I'm going to add a page and I can just go ahead. And what I could do is if I want to go ahead and get more on the sides, I could just open this up as much as I want like this. And then I could go to edit. And this is how you actually get the side. So I'm going to still go to freeform and I could just expand this all the way out to the edges and click expand. And now it's going to go ahead and expand the rest of the hair. And the AI is going to work its magic and give me the rest of its hair. But I really like what I'm seeing here. And this image just came out super, super well. And then we can just go through and see which one we like. So we see this one. We have this one here. We have this, and then this is the best one. And then we want to get rid of the background. So we'll just remove the background. Probably would just do a little bit of generation to the hat, but it looks okay once it's off. So of course you can move the image down and around some, and then let's make this bigger and boom, here you have it. All right. And let's go ahead and grab another one. And this is why it's important, because now we have so many different types of illustrations that we could continue to create, which is so good because now you don't just have one, you have multiple. So let's go ahead and go with the jumpsuit. And sometimes ChatGPT doesn't do a great job at full body, but I do have a workaround for that for a different AI generator software that I'm going to be sharing with you all really, really soon. So make sure you continue to stay tuned to this channel. And don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe as well. And we're just going to wait until it gives us what we need. Sometimes it does this. Keep in mind that I am using the paid version of ChatGPT because it's faster. You get better image outputs as well, but you can do this in the free version as well. And sometimes the AI gets stuck like this. So basically what I do is, because we just really don't have time for that, is I go ahead and hit regenerate, and or I refresh the page. And then once I regenerate the image, it comes back out faster. So for this image, it looks like it's gonna possibly be a full body or almost close to it, because she does have on bell bottom. So this is not too bad. Okay, I love this. She kind of looks like Cicely Tyson a little bit too. All right, so this came out good. This is a weird like pin right here, but I'll show you how we could get rid of that. So let's again go ahead and upload those images, and I'm going to show you some other features that we could use inside of here. So we'll go ahead and add a page, and let's go ahead and get rid of this like weird pin in her hand, and we're gonna go ahead to the magic grab. When we go to the magic grab, the first option is gonna have the click, and it's available for you to be able to click on different objects. So in this case, we're able to click on this object. So I'm gonna deselect because it clicked her as a whole. So that would just make me like be able to grab her out. But I just want to get rid of this weird kind of like pin. ChatGPT does have a habit of doing that, and as you can see, it creates some type of weird kind of blemish on the hand. So let's do magic eraser, and let's see if we can erase that out without messing up the color tone of the hand. So let's see. So let's erase this. Yep, and boom, it erased it out, which is perfect. And then I'm just gonna remove the background, even though I do like that, background, but we're gonna erase it because we want people to be able to add in their own background. And boom, let's look at this full, and now we have this full as well. Also, I noticed her nail is kind of blending in, but we'll go ahead and let it rock out, and then we'll add the page. And then this one just came out so well. Shout out to all my older, beautiful, glamorous women out there. You all are so amazing and beautiful, rocking it out. And let's just go to edit. And we're going to go ahead and do the magic expand. And make sure when you create your images, turn on the song while you're at it so you can just get some more creativity. Hold on. Let's go to freeform. All right. Let's go back. Let's hit the freeform, and we're just going to extend this out just a tad bit because I just want to see what it'll do with the hair. I just don't like anything cut off in my images. If you know, that's just not my style. So we're going to go ahead and yeah, so lovely, lovely. So I'm loving it. So these came out pretty good. So we'll find, so I like this one here. And I also like this one. So probably in between, but I kind of like the first one too. And this one, they're actually all pretty good. So we'll go ahead and just do this because we want it to be kind of full. So we'll do this one here. And then we'll click done, and then we'll use the background remover. And now we could go ahead and remove this out, and then we'll make this bigger, and now we have our images. So now we have our different images, and you could go ahead and sell these on sites like Etsy, on your own website, on different sites. These are definitely images that are trending right now. Older African American women because listen, we do not discriminate and these came out beautiful. So don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And also remember, go ahead and click design if you want to join the wait list, where you're going to get a special exclusive discount because the doors to the AI Creators Made Simple Design Club is going to be opening soon. And I'll be making a video breaking down everything you're going to get, because it's not just going to be learning how to create images, but I'm going to teach you how to monetize, make money, doing different types of things that is out right now, and that's going to be able to make you an extra $500 to $1,000 a month, a week, or even 6 or 7 figures. And definitely stay tuned for the next video, where I'm going to be showing you how to create another clip art design. But also, I want to tell you the importance of being able to pivot, because ChatGPT DALL-E was down for like an entire week, and I had to pivot. So I'm going to show you some other image generators that you can use, because we all know that we always need more than one source of income, and also more than one source of image generator. So that doesn't happen to any one of you all here on this channel.